Okay, so can you see that? No. Let me fix. There it is. Maybe. Okay. So when you're factoring with fraction exponents, it's like taking a common factor out any other time. These both have an x, and we're going to take out the smallest that we have as far as exponents. So we're going to do the 1/2. So x to the 1/2 is our GCF. So if I need x to the 1/2 to multiply by something to get x to the 3/2, I would just multiply by x to the 1. And then here to multiply to get that same thing back, I just need to multiply by a -1. And I'll have my negative x to the 1/2. So this one, kind of the same thing. These have a GCF of 4. You're going to take out the -2/3 is the exponent you're going to use because it's smaller than 1/3. So here, if I divide these, I get 1. So I need this times 1 to get that back. To get to the 8, I need to multiply by a -2. Because 4 times -2 is 8. And then -2/3, the exponent that I need to get the 1/3 is just add a 1. So again, like if I distribute this back, 4x to the -2/3 times 1 is 4x to the -2/3. 4x to the -2/3 times -2x. Multiply the coefficients, you get -8. Add those exponents, and you get positive 1/3. All right, so here, what you have that matches is this whole parenthesis. And 1/2 is the smaller exponent. So to get this guy back, you just need 1. To get this back, you're going to have to do an x squared plus 4 to the, you know what, 6/2, so 3 as your exponent. And I'm okay if you leave it like this. I think if you check in the back of the book, they probably clean that up. I don't really need you to do that. And honestly, this isn't going to be on your test. And if you plan to go into some kind of engineering or math heavy field, you're probably going to see this again in another class. So make sure that you understand it, but you don't have to do it on the test for me.